Hey there, this is the story of the butt ugly tie that hangs in my office right behind me. Well, long before I wanted to be a speaker, I wanted to be an actor. After 4 years of business school, I was like, I just want to go for my dream. I want to be an actor. So I took some acting classes, and one of the teachers that I had, he was just a great guy and a great teacher. And he told me and my other classmates about the fact that it's going to be tough. You're going to go on a lot of auditions that are not going to work. In fact, most of them won't work. You're not going to get the part. But the day that you want to quit, that day that you just had enough, that's the day you would have got the part. And I was like, oh, he doesn't know me. He doesn't know how persistent I am. And I've got this. So I went to audition after audition after audition. And at that time, I was working at Bose Corporation. And I took my lunch break from Bose in Framingham, Massachusetts. And I drove into the city of Boston where the audition was happening. This is a big one. This is for a national TV commercial for Konica. And it was a TV for photocopiers. And I got to the audition and I waited and waited and waited. And it was just the longest audition I had ever sat through. And then this guy comes in and after I've been there for an hour, he goes up to the front desk, checks in, and they let him go right in. And I was like, what? This is BS. That's not fair. I was so mad and I was so upset. I was like, that's it. This is stupid. I am not doing this. This is ridiculous. And then I remembered the story from my teacher. Ugh. And I went up to the woman who was working the front desk and I said, look, I'm here on lunch break from Framingham and this guy gets to go in first. Well, he had to hurry. I'm like, I have to hurry. I want break for lunch. And that's a 40-minute drive. So eventually I had to sit back down and wait. And I was like, that's it. I'm done. This is just, I've been driving to so many auditions in Boston. It's ridiculous. Then it became my turn. I was like, look, I'm already late going back to work. I might as well wait. This is the time that my teacher was talking about. So I went in, and the company was a big production company in Boston called September Productions. And I went up, I met the director, and we just connected. I had fun, and I was known as the reaction guy. I was the what not to do guy. I had the facial expressions that he liked, and I made him laugh. I don't know why, but it worked. I ended up getting the part. It was huge for me, and I played the part of this man who worked at this hubcap company, and this is the tie that I was wearing as that reminder of don't give up. The day you're going to give up was the day it's going to happen. My teacher was right. So I keep this tie hanging up in my office as that reminder. Right when you're ready to quit, that's when the breakthrough would come. For me personally, that was a game changer. And I keep the reminder up of that game changer because I need to be reminded of that, as maybe you do as well. So don't give up right when you think it's not worth it and you're not making any progress. The breakthrough is just a tie away. So I begged the prop woman, can I please have that tie? Please, please, please. And eventually she ended up letting me take the tie home. So it serves as a reminder. It hangs in my office right behind me. If you ever see it on video, that's the story behind the ugly tie. Don't give up. It's easy to go forward when everything's working. It's hard to go forward when it seems like you're not making any progress, when you're going across that plateau. But the breakthrough is just when you're ready to give up. That was a game changer for me. What's the game changer for you? Join me in the Game Changer Challenge. We'll see you online or on stage.